It is, as we refer to in the industry, the tits. Welcome to Fatbike Adventures. We are, for the first time in what feels like ages, finally getting to our dream trick build of the Surly ice cream truck. Surly very kindly let us keep this frame that had the coats, the original paintwork. It was a sparkle blue, and that was originally done, about 5 years ago. We did the Rasta colors, we did the fade on it. That was with Tallow powder coating. They did that for us. He did a fantastic job with that. I'm gonna keep doing little name drops. Bad Apple Creative are the geniuses behind all the video edits that we have on YouTube. You can
shout out.
Yeah, we're just gonna be sticking all of these components on those wheels with the tan wool tires. We got some Brooks saddles. We got some Brooks grips. I suppose we have to decide. Actually, come here. Come and have a look at this. Follow me. We've got a range of different handlebars that we can put on this as well. So, not sure, again, which ones to go with. We've got two different types of Oddity ones, so there's some really nice bars. Front fork, I kind of can't decide whether we're gonna go with a suspension fork or whether we're gonna go with the rigid fork. If we do go with the rigid fork, I don't know where it is, so we might just go with the suspension fork. This is a suspension fork. I need to get a knife, okay, but that's what that looks like. And I think that would look very nice on those. There you go. That's how that looks. There's the Surly make it your own custom badge label and that as well. So let's get building. Let's stick this thing together. Oh, I love the Mastodon emblem. I don't know if you can see it. Mastodon just sounds burly, doesn't it? Anyway, what are we doing? Looking for a seat post.
On today's build, we're going to use the hammer.
Yeah.
Soft blow hammer.
We're going to use the hammer on Ian's head. We had to do accents in one of the pubs. He did a Borat accent. I like. It was such a bad accent. It sounded like Borat came from Cork. You're choosing a stem. I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that one slightly longer. So that pushes the bars further out, and that does affect the handling of the bike. The unboxing of the componentry. We're doing a SRAM drivetrain. We've got the Hope stem, the Manitou bars, fork, sorry. We've got a shifter to change the gears, and then we've got the derailleur. So when you click on that, then that moves, and that moves the chain up and down. And then we've got the brakes. We're just going with some standard Shimano dual brakes, front and back. Jeez, I can't believe we have this. It's the race face crankset. Oh yeah. Ah, the sprocket.
As promised, we're gonna use hammers. And he missed.
And that, folks, is called a crown race.
Thank you, Overvoice.
And the crown race is important because it stops muck from getting into the bearing. So, we have the headset on, looking sweet.
Oh my.
Oh my giddy aunt.
Up goes the weasel.
Yeah. That looks lovely.
Hopey hope.
So we need the bars, don't we? I got it.
You got it.
I got it. Look at these bars. I love that. Love it. Why do I love it? Because Oddity cycles make really unique stuff. I've always liked that Rasta patina under the gel coat. Like, it looks clunkery. You know what I mean? Is clunkery even a word? Yeah.
You be cruising.
The bars on, we can then start to hang brakes and all that sort of stuff. We need the headset to go in, and we need the bottom bracket to go in. put this thing on the thing. There you go.
See, it's shaving. What was that?
That's weird, eh? They're very, very, very tight.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Very good.
Yeah, they're good.
There's an issue with the brakes and the way that these brakes work on that bar. The brakes kind of need to mount flush on the bar, and with that curve there, it's causing a bit of a problem. We're gonna have to change the bar. Damn it, I really like those bars too. So we were gonna go with the Brooks grips, obviously because they match the saddle and it ties the whole room together. But there's no reason why we can't just stick with the saddle and just go with the black grips. I think the black grips kind of work with the fork and with the stem and with the other components. So we've got black components going on a trick full color frames. Problem is good. I think we're okay.
Yeah. Threading the needle. Oh, it's gonna pop on the other side.
Yeah.
Hold it, don't look into it. This is big. Yeah. Well, it's a long mastodon, you know. It's like a Harley Davidson. Bars.
It's sandwich. It's sandwich time. Am I still on the mic, am I?
When are we breaking for lunch?
Turkey, ham, cranberry.
My God.